recently I bought a home, and about 2 or 3 weeks after I got in, I had a problem with my air conditioner. And that's the last thing I wanted after making a new home purchase, because I knew this was one of the most expensive appliances that I was going to have to buy. So I did some research. As an attorney, I got online, I looked at some companies. There was a lot of companies, and it seemed overwhelming at first, but then I found Armstrong Air and Heating, and I looked at their reviews and was very impressed. In my occupation as an attorney, we pride ourselves on giving great customer satisfaction to our clients. So I saw that Armstrong seemed to be a similar type company that really focused on consumer satisfaction. So initially it was the reviews that got my attention. When I called over to the office, and as luck would have it, my air went out on a Friday night. So we barely got through that night. I needed somebody to come out on Saturday. Armstrong, I spoke with, I believe it was Janet in the office the first time I spoke. She was very knowledgeable. They got someone out to my house within hours, got it taken care of, got it fixed for me, got my air cooling again. But there was some needs to replace the entire system. So at that point, they put me in touch with Tom Hyatt, and he was very professional. He exceeded my expectations in every way as far as his knowledge of what was needed, what they could do for me, tons of extras that I exceeded my expectations from the service I got from the beginning to the end. Ultimately, they put in a new carrier system for me, and we couldn't be happier. My wife and I are very pleased with the system that we got, and I highly recommend them. Again, I go back to customer service. They want to make things right if there's anything wrong. I had a perfect total interactions with them. Everything was perfect. But I know that if anything does go wrong, I can call Tom Hyatt, I can call Armstrong Air, and they'll be out there to fix it. They pride themselves on customer satisfaction, and they exceeded my expectations in every way, from the first time I looked at their website to the final installation and even the follow-up. They've given me things. They're going to do some follow-up on free maintenance for a year. They had put free air filters. They gave upgraded surge protectors, things that I didn't even know that I needed, that they threw in as part of the package. So I'm very happy. I can't recommend them highly enough, and I hope that you'll give Armstrong a call if you need air conditioning services. Thank you.